Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a keto breakfast sandwich. This recipe only requires 3 ingredients. Right here I have some Great Value butter flavored non-stick spray, some eggs, and some mozzarella cheese. Here I'm just cracking 1 egg, which will be enough to make 2 keto waffles. I do suggest plugging in your waffle maker so it can preheat while you combine all of your ingredients. Right here I'm just whisking the egg with a fork, and then I'm going to grab my mozzarella cheese. I don't have exact measurements, but I put in about a 1/4 cup of mozzarella. So just quickly mix those two together and then spray your waffle maker with the non-stick spray. So you just want to pour out about half of the mixture into the waffle maker. Just use your fork to spread out the mixture evenly. You want to let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Here is your end result, which is a standard keto waffle, also known as a chaffle. For the second chaffle, I'm going to show you how you can mix it up and add some flavor. So to spruce up the flavor, I'm just going to pull out my whey protein in the pancake brunch flavor. You don't want to add too much, but I used about a tablespoon of the protein powder. So now we're just going to mix this up, and don't forget to respray your waffle maker. So the chaffle on the left side is the first one we made, and the one on the right side is the one where I used the pancake flavored protein powder. Now I'm just taking my frozen Jimmy Dean sausage patties and heating one up in the microwave. To add more flavor and some good fats, I just added cheese on top of the sausage patty. Throw this in the microwave for 30 to 45 seconds until your cheese melts. And here is the final product, our keto breakfast sandwich. It was super quick, easy, and affordable. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.